Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to unpair our Bluetooth device from Samsung Galaxy S22. To unpair our device, not to disconnect, not to turn off, but to unpair for good, we have to go to Settings, Connections, Bluetooth, and we have here our JBL charge for speaker. To unpair it, we have to tap this cog menu here and select unpair. And now our device is no longer connected to our phone. As you can see, our Bluetooth list is clear. No connected devices. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.